Hello everyone. In this video, I will describe you about physical and chemical change. First, what is known as a physical change? Physical change is change in the state or form of a substance that does not change the original substance. It means the identity of the substance remain the same. Come to the example. If you have the peanuts and you grind it, you make peanut butter from it. So the basic quality of the peanut, what type of the substances are present in the peanut, would remain the same when you will grind it into the form of the peanut butter. So this type of the change in which you are not changing the properties of the substance, you are just changing its form is known as a physical change. Come to the second example. Just take paper and you fold it and make one airplane from that. Okay, so the paper earlier is also made up of cellulose. Now in the form of aeroplane also, if you will see it, it is also made up of cellulose. So the chemical property, the substance by which it is made up of will remain the same. Only the form has been changed. Earlier it was in the form of a A4 sheet. Now it is in the form of a aeroplane. Come to the third example. It is a copper brick and we can make the wire of it, right? So the copper is copper only when it was in the form of the brick, so its property will remain the same. And when you are going to make the wire from it, then again it is copper. So in the physical change can result only in the physical property, but not new chemical properties develop in the matter. So this type of the change is known as a physical change. Coming to the chemical change, a chemical change is that type of a change in a substance that involves the formation of new substances with new properties. Come here on this example. These are the wooden log. When you burn it, they will convert into the ash. So ash is carbon only. So you can see the change itself also. When you have burned the wood log, it will convert into the S and you cannot convert it back into the wood log form. Okay, now come here and this example, it is sugar, but if you will ferment it, it will get converted into the alcohol. If you know the chemical formula of the sugar, it is C6H12O6, but when you convert it into the form of the alcohol, it make the formula C2H5OH. So the carbon number has been changed, hydrogen number has been changed, and oxygen number has been changed. This type of the change is known as the chemical change. Okay, so the all the chemical changes if we have, first they accompanied by a physical change, means first their physical property will change, after that their chemical property will change. Physically means how they look, that is known as a physical change. Now, how can we tell this type of the change is a chemical change or a physical change? If you are able to see the change in the color of any substance, then we can say that this type of a change is a chemical change. Again, if during a chemical reaction some gas is releasing and you can see that gas releasing in the form of a bubbles, right? So if bubbles are coming from your test tube, then you will say it is a chemical change. Now come to the third visual clue. If some light is coming out, or if you touch the test tube from the outside and you are feeling it hot, it means heat is released in that reaction. So that type of the reaction is known as a chemical reaction or change is a chemical change. Again, when you are mixing two solution together and there is a formation of some solid or precipitate, then again you will say this type of a change is a chemical change. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or any suggestion, please write in the comment box. Thank you.